Imagine transforming your strength, endurance, and overall physical performance with just 10 powerful exercises that will revolutionize your workout routine. These movements do more than just build muscle. They enhance your mobility, balance, and functional fitness, getting your body ready for anything life throws your way, from everyday tasks to crushing ambitious fitness goals. In today's video, I'll reveal these 10 must-do exercises, show you how to perform them perfectly, and explain why they're essential for building a strong, athletic, and functional physique. Whether you're just starting out or already a fitness enthusiast, these exercises are designed to deliver incredible results. Don't miss the final exercise. It's a complete game changer, especially for boosting power and explosive strength. Stick around till the end. Number 1, push-ups. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises for building upper body strength and endurance. They target your chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging your core to help stabilize your body. What's great about push-ups is their versatility. You can modify them to make them easier or harder, depending on your fitness level. Plus, they can be done anywhere, making them a convenient option for any workout routine. How to perform. Begin in a high plank position with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your body should form a straight line from head to heels. Lower your body by bending your elbows, keeping them at a 45-degree angle from your torso. Lower until your chest is just above the floor, then push back up to the starting position. Number 2, squats. Squats are the foundation of any strength training program. They target your quads, hamstrings, glutes, and core, making them essential for building lower body strength. Beyond just building muscle, squats help improve mobility, balance, and even boost your athletic performance. How to perform. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Push your hips back and bend your knees to lower your body until your thighs are parallel to the floor. Drive through your heels to return to the starting position. Number 3, plank. The humble plank is often underestimated, but it's one of the best exercises for building core strength. This simple yet highly effective move not only targets your abs, but also engages your shoulders, back, and glutes. What makes the plank truly remarkable is its ability to improve your overall body stability, which is essential for nearly every movement you do, whether it's lifting heavy weights, running, or just maintaining good posture throughout the day. How to perform. Start by getting into a push-up position, but rest your weight on your forearms instead of your hands. Make sure your elbows are directly under your shoulders and keep your body in a straight line from your head to your heels. Engage your core by pulling your belly button toward your spine. Hold this position for as long as you can without letting your hips sag or rise. Number 4, kettlebell swings. Kettlebell swings are an incredible way to build explosive power while getting a fantastic cardio workout. This dynamic movement is a game changer for targeting your glutes, hamstrings, and core. The swinging motion forces your body to stabilize itself, which improves your coordination and balance over time. Beyond that, it's a calorie-torching exercise that combines strength and cardio in one efficient movement. How to perform. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and grip a kettlebell with both hands. Hinge at the hips, keeping a slight bend in your knees, and swing the kettlebell back between your legs. Drive your hips forward forcefully to propel the kettlebell up to shoulder height. Allow the kettlebell to swing back down naturally as you hinge at the hips again. Number 5, burpees. Love them or hate them, burpees are a full-body workout that builds strength, endurance, and explosive power while torching calories. They're a high-intensity exercise that combines squats, push-ups, and jumps, making them a powerful addition to any fitness routine. When done correctly, burpees improve both your cardiovascular fitness and muscular strength. How to perform. Drop into a squat, placing your hands on the floor. Jump your feet back into a plank position and perform a push-up. Jump your feet back toward your hands and explode upward into a jump with your arms extended overhead. Land softly and repeat. Number 6, pull-ups. Pull-ups are a true test of upper body strength. They primarily target your lats, biceps, and core, while also improving grip strength and shoulder stability. Mastering this challenging movement can be a game changer for your fitness level, as it requires a combination of strength, coordination, and determination. How to perform. Grab a pull-up bar with your palms facing away from you. Hang with your arms fully extended and your body straight. Engage your core and pull your body upward until your chin clears the bar. Lower yourself back down with control. Number 7, weighted lunges. Weighted lunges are a fantastic exercise for building leg strength and improving balance. They target your quads, hamstrings, and glutes, while also engaging your core to maintain stability. This exercise not only strengthens your legs, but also helps correct muscular imbalances between your left and right sides. How to perform. Hold a pair of dumbbells by your sides or place a barbell across your upper back. Step forward with one foot, lowering your body until your back knee nearly touches the ground. Push back to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Number 8, barbell bench press. The barbell bench press is a staple for building upper body strength. It targets your chest, shoulders, and triceps, while also engaging your core to provide stability. Adding this exercise to your routine can significantly improve your pushing strength, making it a go-to move for anyone looking to develop a strong, muscular upper body. How to perform. Lie on a flat bench with your feet planted firmly on the floor. Grip the barbell slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Lower the barbell slowly to your chest, then push it back up to the starting position. Number 9, deadlifts. The deadlift is often called the king of compound lifts, and for good reason. It works your entire posterior chain, including your hamstrings, glutes, back, and core. Beyond building strength, deadlifts improve your posture and functional movement patterns, making everyday tasks like lifting and carrying easier. How to perform. Stand with your feet hip-width apart and grip the barbell with your hands just outside your knees. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Lift the barbell by driving through your heels, extending your hips and knees simultaneously. Lower the bar back down with control. Number 10, dumbbell lateral raises. The dumbbell lateral raise is one of the most effective exercises for targeting the shoulder muscles, particularly the lateral deltoid. This key muscle plays a crucial role in creating that defined, rounded shoulder appearance that contributes to an athletic and balanced physique. While it may be overlooked in strength-focused routines, dumbbell lateral raises are essential for building shoulder stability and improving muscle balance. Strong lateral deltoids help stabilize the shoulder joint during heavy, complex movements like the bench press, overhead press, and deadlift. Developing this muscle group not only supports better performance, but also helps prevent injuries. How to perform dumbbell lateral raises. Correctly. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart, holding light dumbbells in each hand. Keep your arms relaxed at your sides with a slight bend at the elbows. Raise the dumbbells outward until they reach shoulder height, forming a T shape with your body. Keep your wrists straight and your body stable. Avoid swinging or using momentum to lift the weights. Slowly lower the dumbbells back to the starting position, maintaining control throughout the movement. Incorporating dumbbell lateral raises into your training routine provides significant benefits beyond just aesthetics. Strengthening your shoulders improves your ability to perform compound lifts, enhances overall upper body stability, and helps prevent injuries. There you have it, 10 game-changing exercises to elevate your fitness journey. Which of these exercises will you try next? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and workouts. Until next time, stay strong and stay healthy.